Hello, welcome to Great Garden. Did you know that for orchids to grow healthy and bloom beautifully, you don't always need expensive fertilizers? In today's video, I will share a simple, safe, and natural fertilizer method for growing orchids. With this method, your orchids will grow strong, with lush green leaves, thick white roots, abundant flower buds, and blooms that stay fresh, vibrant, and long-lasting on the plant. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any plant care tips. Let's get started. On the way, I met a girl who was coming back from the supermarket. It seemed that her bag had a hole in it. A lemon fell out of her bag. I'll take this lemon home and use it to make fertilizer for orchids. Lemons contain citric acid, vitamin C, and natural antibacterial compounds that help inhibit fungi and harmful bacteria, clean leaf surfaces, and support healthier plant growth. First, cut the lemon in half. I only use half of the lemon. I'll store the remaining half in the refrigerator. I squeeze out the lemon juice and strain out the seeds. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Don't throw away the peel just yet. I'll show you how to use it later in the video. I will add 500 milliliters of clean water to this lime juice concentrate to dilute the solution, ensuring a suitable concentration that is safe for the roots and helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. That's it. We now have a mixed fertilizer solution for orchids. First, pour the solution into a small cup, as shown in the image. Next, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak and wipe each side of the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, allows better air circulation, improves photosynthesis, and reduces harmful bacteria and fungi. Diluted lime juice has mild antibacterial properties that help clean the leaf surface, making the leaves greener and enhancing the plant's natural resistance. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and underside of the leaves. Do this 1 to 2 times per week to keep the orchid leaves clean and healthy and ensure stable plant growth. After finishing wiping the leaves, I will use the lime peels prepared earlier. Lime peels contain essential oils, vitamin C, flavonoids, and natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that help suppress pathogens, repel insects mildly, and support healthy plant growth. I cut the lime peels into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting the peels into smaller pieces helps release the essential oils and beneficial compounds in the lime peel more quickly, allowing the solution to extract nutrients more easily and enabling the plant to absorb them more effectively. Next, I put all the chopped lime peels into a clean glass cup. For the next ingredient, I use rice. Rice contains abundant starch, B-group vitamins, and natural minerals, which help provide energy, support root development, and promote healthy plant growth. I add 3 tablespoons of rice to the glass cup containing the lime peels. Next, add 500 milliliters of warm water to dissolve the nutrients. Then, stir well so that all the ingredients are fully combined. allowing the nutrients to be evenly distributed in the solution and ready for more effective plant absorption. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for about 1 hour. While waiting, water the plant first to moisten the growing medium. If the medium is too dry, the roots will have difficulty absorbing nutrients, and the plant will recover more slowly. You can easily determine the right time to water by observing the orchid roots. Bright green roots implies the plant has enough moisture and does not need watering yet. Silvery white or light gray roots leads to the plant is lacking water and can be watered. Watering at the right time helps orchids grow healthily and prevents root rot or dehydration. After watering, let the plant rest for a while so the roots can absorb enough water. Once the roots turn green, fertilizing will be safer and more effective. Repeat the same process for the remaining pots to ensure all plants are adequately moist before fertilizing. After 1 hour, once the solution is cooled, I strain out the residue and keep only the clear liquid. This liquid is exactly what we need. As for the remaining lime juice from earlier, I will mix it together with the rice and lime peel solution. Add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. That's it. The garlic-based fertilizer solution is now ready to be applied and used to care for the orchids. Method 1. First, pour the rice and lime solution into a dedicated watering container. Next, gently water around the base of the orchid so the solution can evenly soak into the growing medium and reach the root system directly, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. This slow and even watering method provides starch and vitamins from the rice, combined with the mild antibacterial properties of lime, helping the roots develop healthily, reducing fungal diseases, and strengthening the plant's resistance. You should apply this once a week. Once the orchids have stabilized, reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After watering, let the plant sit in the pot for about 15 minutes so the roots can absorb the maximum nutrients from the rice and lime. After 15 minutes, lift the plant out of the pot and place it in a dry, well-ventilated area. Method 2. Pour the rice and lime peel solution into a spray bottle, then mist evenly over the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. The solution provides nutrients from the rice water, combined with natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds from the lime peel, forming a light protective layer that enhances resistance and helps prevent fungal diseases and harmful insects. When spraying, be sure to mist both sides of the leaves evenly to clean them, improve photosynthesis, and promote healthier plant growth. Apply once a week during the first month, then maintain once a month thereafter. After spraying, let the plant rest for 15 minutes to absorb the nutrients. And wipe off any excess water to prevent leaf rot. keeping the plant healthy and glossy green. Results after 2 months of application. You can easily notice many new roots emerging, with green, thick, and plump root tips, clear signs that the plant is absorbing nutrients very well from the lime peel and rice, and that the recovery process is clearly taking place. The orchid leaves turn a deeper green, becoming glossier and thicker. Leaves that were previously wrinkled or weak are now plump and full of vitality. In pots where orchids previously grew slowly, new shoots begin to emerge clearly. Some plants even develop new flower spikes that grow tall and strong, indicating that the plants have stabilized and are ready to enter the next blooming season. Each blooming flower is a well-deserved reward for gentle yet proper care. This simple method using lime peel and rice not only helps orchids thrive, but also brings noticeable changes to the entire garden. With a little patience, the plants will reward you with vibrant blooms and abundant vitality. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos. Goodbye, and see you again in the next video on Great Garden.